Hello again, everybody. This week is a special episode for all of you photographers out there, and I answer the question, how can you elevate and advance your photography by shooting what you love? Today, I'm still coming to you from the beautiful medieval town of Sofia, Italy, where I'm having my artist residency, and right now I am shooting a time-lapse of this amazing view with the town of Fara in Sabina up there on the top of the hill. So if you're new here, I post weekly videos of things I'm learning and doing as an emerging artist, hoping that it'll be helpful to you on your own journey, either as an artist or anyone who wants to live a more creative life. If that sounds good, please don't forget to like and subscribe for new videos every week. Just a quick episode this week because it's crunch time. It's the last week at the residency and we have to be ready for open studios at the end of the week. So I just wanted to share this quote from Burkard, who you may have heard of, amazing adventure photographer and all-around great guy. And the subject is on how focusing on shooting what you love can actually be the secret to advancing your photography both as a career and an art form. He says, "To all you hopeful photographers out there, love what you shoot. I spent a ton of time early in my career serving the needs of editors, magazines, etc. But once I finally focused into shooting what actually made me happy and brought me joy, my career skyrocketed. I also realized what I was good at and stopped trying to convince others that I could do everything. Focus on what's most important, your best work, the stuff that shows what you specialize in. It will help you become a better curator and editor for your own work. The worst thing you can do is try to tell people you can shoot everything well. You're hired because you're a specialist in a certain area, so the sooner you realize that, the better." So just put yourself in the shoes of whomever it is you're trying to attract the attention of, whether it's a potential client, an editor, a curator, etc. If they need someone to shoot a certain subject, they're going to want to find the person who's the best, the person who's top of mind, because honestly, there's just so many photographers out there. And the only way to stand out, the only way to make a name is to do it for so long, be so committed to it that you just have images that nobody else can get. And like me, recently I did a submission review of my own one portfolio of travel photos, and the feedback they gave me was that my work is already strong, but I need to seek more specificity to develop my storytelling and just deepen my practice of photography. And they told me that by being more specific in your work, you give your audience additional opportunities to identify and engage. And that's really all the time I have for today. I really have to get back to work. Sorry for the rush and for the bad audio quality this week. But tell me in the comments, what photography are you specializing in or trying to specialize in? What are the things you're trying to do, challenges you're trying to face, and all the usual stuff. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share if it spoke to you, and I will see you again next week.